Hey guys, thanks for stopping in. In this video, I'm going to show you how I took this client who has dark level 4 on her hair and 2 inches of regrowth into a red highlight without having to pre-lighten with lightener first and then applying red. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please like and subscribe right now before you forget. As you see here, we're above the red line is zone 1, which is her regrowth, zone 2, which is about a level 4 still, and zone 3 here under the red line that I drew is faded into more of a 5-6. I'm using the SOCOLOR SORED line by Matrix. I'm mixing it with 40. It is a high lift red. I have not used this particular color before, but I've been using Matrix for a while, and specifically SOCOLOR. I'm mixing with 40 volume. I will also definitely add Olaplex. I began in the back. I took a long wide section right here and then I split it into 3 sections, 1 inch width apiece. For her root formula, I did not, I'm not going to use the high def on there because you're going to get an uneven result. It's going to go a lot brighter at the root with 40 volume than where the previous color is. So I mixed up Ravana 6.66, which is a level 6 red. It's not that you cannot use the SORED on her natural hair, because that's technically what this color is intended for. However, if I put the same formula from roots to ends, she's obviously going to get an uneven color. So therefore, I'm trying to match the roots to what I'm going to assume the ends are going to look like. I'm hoping to get at least 2 levels of lift out of her hair at the mid shaft to ends where the previous dark color is. The last color I used on her hair, I actually have a video on. It is a demi color anyway, so I'm not too concerned about damage or uneven lifting. You know, technically I don't always recommend lifting color with color. You know, it's technically not supposed to happen, and it's not that it can't, it's just that you can get an uneven result, which is why it's not recommended. However, I know that with the experience that I have, I'm probably not going to get an uneven result. I am the only one that's been doing her hair. She hasn't been doing anything at home. I know everything that's been done to it. I know everything that's been on it. So I'm figuring it's going to lift fine. However, if it does not, I already have a plan for that also. By using this board, it is so much easier to be able to press that color into the hair and saturate really well. You want to make sure it's even. And then right there you see me sweep up, it blends the 2 colors together to make sure there's no line. And I'll just fast forward here, that way you guys don't get too bored. In the back, I want to make a nice thick panel. That way it just kind of pops out underneath. And I'm thinking ahead for when she wants to curl it or put some waves in it. It'll look pretty awesome. And notice around her face, I'm putting one there around her face, but not right along the edge, right around there. The hairline hair is very fine, and if you oversaturate that, it'll look all red. And when you pull it back, you don't want to look like she has no dark in there. So I'm taking a medium weave, and it's really thin. They're really fine, but they're wider. That way they are noticeable, but it's not overpowering to the area. So I'm so upset I did not record me putting the glaze on the hair. When I took out her foils, the high lift red worked very well, so well that it was a little brighter than I wanted. So it was pretty much like a fire engine red, the pieces were, which is so really pretty, but she wanted it to be a more violet red, or red violet, and it was just more like a red. So I put 3V in Shades Gloss with a little bit of 5RV in Shades Gloss. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, and this is the result we got. It toned it down really well, but added some depth to it, so it wasn't so bright. We got what we wanted. It got our color, and we both loved it. And ta-da! I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said before, if you would like to see more, please subscribe. Don't forget to get a thumbs up if you do like it, and any requests that you may have, please comment below. I appreciate any feedback. I will hope to see you soon. Bye!